looks like I don't know what I'm doing. Once you get a few on there, then it'll stay where you want. I'm just trying to keep my fingers out of the way so you can see, but that was not working. So, just going to keep looping it. Pulling it tight now. Keep all those wraps nice and tight. Now it's hanging on a little better. Keep wrapping. Sorry guys, I'm trying to be quick. Did just learn how to do this. Go. Bear with me guys. One more, it'll be worth it. It's easier than I thought. If I could do it, you can do it too. And close, close, close. Almost, almost, guys. It's also a lot easier when you're wrapping. Something that doesn't have a hole, like a lighter. I guess I should have showed you with that, but is what it is. Yank it tight. Make sure all those are tight. And now the loop we left at the beginning. We're going to drop it back through there, like so. That's going to be our last one. Going to hold that. You got your tail. Pull your tail until it grabs it. Tight, 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 tight. One second. I can't believe I left this over there. Snip. Melt. Squish. Melt. Squish. There you go, guys. That is how you get those little wraps on there. This one you can tie it off, leave a bead, leave a knot on it, or you can simply, again, cut there, melt it. I'm going to probably put a lanyard or something on the end of it, I think. So I'm going to hold off on doing that just yet. Thank you guys. Have a great day.